Coming up with new ideas or solutions to problems can be a real challenge. The most common way to do this is for a team or a group of people to get together and workshop this, often using post-it notes. Sometimes this works. Sometimes you get the same ideas with no inspiration and no real insights. Why? Well, part of this is that conducting these activities so that they work takes real skill. Not everyone has training as a design facilitator. You can run into all sorts of problems facilitating groups and may have to deal with a range of issues. Facilitators create trust, so people are not afraid of making wild and unusual suggestions, as it is the crazy ideas that often lead to the breakthrough solutions. You may discover some people hold back their best ideas. After everyone has left, the work continues. Manual input and analysis of ideas is a laborious process. Prioritization of ideas is difficult. The best ideas don't always come from the people higher in the organization. Sometimes it is the people who are working on the front line that have the insights to really understand how to solve the problem. SparkTank is a platform to enable anyone to be an innovator. As a facilitator, you or your client can create a challenge. It's a simple process supporting you to properly define the problem. Poorly defined problems are why many innovations fail. Once a challenge is defined, you can save or launch the challenge on a specific date. Invite specific people or make it an open challenge. This can be done by anyone, anywhere, and at any time. You are not constrained by time zones or participant availability. Participants develop their ideas for ways of solving a problem. The platform supports the creation of ideas and then connects and assigns participants to expand and develop ideas from other participants. Many participants may expand on each idea. Each idea receives a score, placing it on a leaderboard. Challenge owners can extract or download reports on all of the ideas and the contributions. Each participant and owner also receives points for creating or contributing to challenges, as well as expanding or adding ideas. Points can be converted to rewards when participants reach certain levels of innovator status. Organizations can see who participates and who has the best ideas in your organization. Government organizations can use this platform to invite open engagement with the community, enabling participation and co-design without physical restrictions. The advanced features provide challenge owners connection with sponsors to implement their innovations. The platform uses the challenge data to create a pitch for collaboration and further development. AI is used to further analyze and categorize ideas, provide suggestions, and make connections between new and existing problems and solutions. This platform is unlike other creative group or collaborative tools. SparkTank is designed to support beginners, or to enable experts, to quickly and efficiently make important creative connections. Join SparkTank today, and start innovating.